Hey guys, what's up? Atan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to be more productive with Google Keep, a fantastic tool. I'm going to show you how you can get the most out of it in your daily life and your business, of course. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Okay, as I mentioned in the beginning, Google Keep is a fantastic tool, has many possibilities. You can sync it, you can have it with you, and I'm going to show you a few examples actually how to get the most out of it. So with that being said, let's get started. So I already have two lists here, a shopping list and to do. First, to get started, it is really easy to just take a note here, okay? So all you have to do is you type here something, blah blah blah, and you hit the close. And there you have your note there, okay? Now, if I want, let's say, this list to be pinned, it always comes on top. Let's say that you want to show checkboxes. You can actually add checkboxes here. So as I did with my shopping list, these are items that I already shopped. So let's say I want to shop some Brazil. There you see, Brazil nuts. I don't need to type it again. Let's say I want some macadamia nuts. There you go, and some toothpaste. So now I know what I have to shop. You can collaborate with someone else here. So let's say that I'm sending someone to shop, and he or she can have that list as well and are able to check, and I can see what that person has shopped, so I don't go and shop the same thing. Here is a reminder. I can add a reminder later today, 8 p.m. for example, and we can change the color here, really nice. You can add an image, so let's say that I add an image here. And there you have it. Really cool. And I just delete it here. So let's say, for example, I want to delete Sensodyne here. You can just delete it. And you can see that there is some options here. You can actually uncheck all items. So let's say that you want to have them again unchecked. You can make a copy of these shopping lists. You can delete all checked items. You can hide the checkboxes, and you can even copy to Google Docs. So definitely a lot of possibilities here. Now, one feature that I really like when I'm outside is you can actually record your voice. And let me just show you. Let me pick up my iPhone here. So let's see. I hope you can see it here. It is on the right side. First off, you have the camera option. You can actually take a picture, but to the left of the camera, you have the microphone there. Okay, so all you have to do is you type, you just push that microphone here, and let's test the microphone here. And I'm done with it, okay? So now I go back here, and you can see how quick it has synced, so it's already here now. And I can listen to it. Let's test the microphone here. Okay, but what I like most of it is it types straight away. So if I have something, I came up with a quick idea, I just record it with the voice, and then I can have it typed and edit it later when I come back home. So let's say that we add this with this color, and I don't want to add any image here, but I'm pretty satisfied with it. So really a lot of possibilities with Google Keep. You can create a lot of lists, to-do lists. Here is another list that I used actually here. I post in groups. I have my Facebook paid ads, etc. that I've done before. There is the settings. You can customize your reminder defaults here. some settings that you can check out, some app downloads, and you can see there is for Android, iPhone and iPad, and there is some Chrome extensions actually for Google Keep. Okay, so you can check out those two. This is probably the most popular that you can have. I already have it in here, so definitely worth to check out if you decide to go for a Google Keep. But as I said, there is a few things that I liked most with, especially the voice recording when I'm out there, but definitely for shopping and lists, really easy and handy to have with me on my phone. The shortcuts, I'm all about learning shortcuts. Good tip, learn this, a huge time saver in whatever application you're working with. One last thing, you can create a new label. I created a label here, and what you can do is you can actually add it to those labels, so you can have labels there with the notes there. So really simple and easy. Oh, one more thing actually I forgot. You can actually add drawings here. This is really cool also. So we can add a drawing here. Let's say I'm creative, I want to draw something, and let's go back here. There. So I can add actually a drawing if I'm more creative or I want to draw something really quick. If I'm not satisfied, I can just remove it. So really handy in my opinion. Google Keep, tons of features. I won't go in and cover everything in detail in this video, but definitely worth to check it out. You can also have it opened when you check your emails here. So if I'm in my email, all you have to do is you open it here, Google Keep, and you can see you can have it on the right side while you're checking the emails here. Okay, there you have it, Google Keep, how to be more productive with Google Keep. Hopefully you find something useful out of this video. If you did, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell, of course, to be notified every time I upload a new video. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.